Y'all want to tell them what the special day is?
What's happening? It's the world premiere. Smoke Out the Movie, starring myself, K Pimpin, and Baby D, directed by Show Cheese.
So, T, tell them what.
Hey, my man Grind in the building. What's up? Smoke out, man. We at the theater with it. KP with it. What's happening? Tell them what's going on, KB. Hey, y'all know what's going on. Smoke Out the Movie in the theater.
Let these folks know one exclusive thing that was going on with the movie that inspired y'all. One exclusive story.
Man, shit, boy, it's so many.
I want to tell a story. Now. Can I tell a story, man?
Yeah, tell a story.
This is a story because I think am I still a DJ?
Yeah, man.
I'm the DJ, and we were sitting in the studio over at where was it at? We was at the Compounds, and he said he was gonna work with Baby D, and Baby D inspired him, and they were working together on the music. Remember when y'all was working on the music together? You was telling me, man, we gonna be big, man. We gonna do something really big one day. That's a real story, man. Some real shit, yo.
Yeah, man.
And look at them now, man. They in a movie co-starring together. Your own movie, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's Show Cheese,
First
man.
one.
Big shout out to Show Cheese, man, doing it real big. I gotta be in the next one, man. I know you called me a couple of times,
Yeah,
man.
man. Everybody come get in the next one, goddamn. We trying to put the whole
Part 2, man. Make sure y'all check out for part 2. We announcing it now from the gate, man. Part 2 coming soon. Coming soon.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations.
Yes, sir, man. Appreciate it, man.
G Red, want to tell them what we got going on today?
Hey, man.
We got Dre in the
Goddamn
motherfucking
big grind
building,
media
too.
going on. You know what I'm saying? Big old shit when I pop up. Big K Pimpin'. You know what I'm saying? Big Spud. Whole lot of big shit, man. Shout out to Big
Oh,
God,
boy,
man. Without
16
Big
walking up in the
Big
building.
16.
Yes, sir.
I come in here like LeBron. You hear me? Best manager in the building. Best manager in the
Did
building.
that.
Not just cause he's mine,
Yeah.
but he is.
You mean shit.
You understand me?
Y'all tell me one role y'all playing in the movie, man. You know, if y'all don't, just.
I'm 16.
Man, he had the
I
pack.
played one of the major roles in the movie.
You got 16
I got the pack.
He got the pack.
That shit, it just felt real. So it was easy. But the film hard, we were funny, we had fun, everything was enjoyable. Every time I hit the scene, we were smoked out. So it fit the description.
The Smoke Out movie, man. It's the smoke movie of the century right here, man. 2023, Smoke Out the movie, man. Y'all check it out. Got Big Grind fucking with us. Everybody fucking with us, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out my boy DJ Spud. Goddamn, shout out my manager Tip. Shout out to Baby D. Shout out to Ron. Shout out to goddamn shit, the whole BML fam that I fuck with. Everybody BML cash. Goddamn, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody, bro. For real, man. I fuck with y'all. Thank y'all for the love and support for the movie. We're gonna keep coming with it. We're gonna come out with some more shit by the end of the year, bro. Smoke Out the movie.
Yeah.
Appreciate that.
Yes, sir.